Hey, I'm Billa, I'm the group leader and I make sure the other members do their job.
Hi, I'm Kamal. I will be narrating the PC load.
Hi, I'm Jake. I'm the video editor and cameraman. I'll be recording and editing all the material used in this video.
Hi, I'm Enzo. I'm the technician. I'll be building the computer system and configuring it while detailing all the steps involved.
Hi, I'm Dominic. I'm going to be the scribe for my group and I'm doing the write-up.
Hi, my name is Taylor. I'm the assistant narrator, and yeah.
The first step is put the CPU in the motherboard and lock the CPU enclosure. Put the CPU fan into the chassis, and then from there secure the motherboard into the chassis and screw it into place.
I still search for you in the moonlight.
Plug in the case into the motherboard, and then from there plug in the SATA cables into the motherboard.
Retrace your footsteps, retrace your mind, retrace your
From there you would need to secure the PSU into the chassis and screw it into the case and plug it in the PSU wires into the motherboard. Mount the CPU heatsink into place. This process may vary depending on the style of heatsink. Plug in the RAM into the corresponding sockets in the motherboard. Get the hard drive, plug in the SATA and power cables and mount it into the chassis. Do the same for the CD drive. Close up the case and you're done, and this is how to build a PC system.
Next we will talk about the formatting, or how to format. First step, you would boot up the PC and press F2 or F12 for the setup or the boot menu. After this, you'd format the hard drive. By doing this will erase everything on the current hard drive. Next, go to the boot menu using F12 and select the drive with your Windows CD on it. Next, configure the Windows to match your preferences and start the setup. After this, you will need to install a custom version of Windows to start from scratch. Next, press install and wait.
Everyone's always saying, seize the moment. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking it's the other way around. You know, like the moment seizes us.
Once this is done, you will then have to once the install has finished, and set up, it has done its job, and you will need to set up your name, date and time, all the other settings. Then you're done, and that would be how you format.
The next thing I'm going to talk about is the boot test. To do a boot test, all you need to do is simply just boot up your PC and make sure it works.
Next, I will talk about a functionality test. By doing this, all you would have to do is turn on your PC, you open up Microsoft Word, type and click around the mouse, making sure that everything works as it should. And by doing this, you'll have done a functionality test.
Now I'm going to talk about adding paper to the printer tray. The first step you'll need to do is open up the paper tray and add the paper.
Lastly, I'm going to show you how to scan. What you need to do is put in a document on the print base and press scan on the computer window. And by doing this, you'll have scanned.
Thank you for watching, and we hope our tutorial has helped you in building or at least understanding how a computer is set up.